Well, here she is. Finally got a Sprit made for Penobscot 14 using mostly our hand tools. Got it 4-sided, took it down to 8-sided with the table saw. Guess that's not a hand tool. And then spoke shaved off the corners of that. That gave us all this nice, nice shavings here under the what is now the spar bench, which was the router jig, just turned upside down. These nice little supports on the bottom. Got a couple of tips off the wooden boat for them. Put some clamps on so I could rotate it. It wouldn't go all over the place. A nice detail on the end. The becket, or the, well, I don't know what it is. The loop on the top of the sail will slide over the top of this and rest there. And that'll be at the peak of the sail, then down at the other end. You got the little contraption called the snotter that goes to a block or thumb cleat on the mast. Another little eye in the end of a line that comes here, pulls it up, puts tension on the sail so you can adjust it, get the right amount of crease or no crease, whatever you want for the wind conditions. So cut these little details on the end. Took a little dovetail saw, cut a little circle in around about 1/8 of an inch to get it started for the rasp, and then I kind of took a jigsaw, cut the taper 2 sides, rotated it 90 degrees, cut the taper twice again, and the rasp would take it down to rough shape, and then sanded it with 120 grit. Put this little shoulder here, and then a little detail, a little taper. It's like 1.5 inches in the middle, down to about 1.25 inches here. Didn't quite go down to the 1.8 inches that Simmons says in his books, Lap Straight Boat Building Volume 2. Just over 12 feet long, and it's version 4. Only took 4 tries to get to this point, but it was a lot of fun working with the spoke shave. It was a Stanley number 52. So here it is, the Sprit for a Penobscot 14 St. Jacques.